So let me tell you something that might shock you. Like most jobs are not filled through job applications; they are filled through conversation. But here's the problem: most people either don't message at all or send message that get ignored instantly. Like, "Hi sir, I am looking for a job," so which gets deleted, ignored, or forgotten because hiring managers don't care about your need; they care about their problems. So in this lecture, I will show you how to flip that. We are going to use Cloud AI to craft cold messages that actually get replies, message that sounds like human, relevant, and valuable. Okay, not spammy, not desperate, not cringe. So by the end of this lecture, you will know how to grab attention in the first line, connect your skills to their businesses, and ask for opportunities the right way. And this is one of the highest ROI skill in your job search. So let's do it properly. So for this, I have created a prompt. Let me copy it. The prompt is something like this: act as a hiring manager and expect recruiter. Write a highly personalized LinkedIn cold message to a hiring manager at company. So we have to provide a company name here. So I'll be giving it as Microsoft for the role of estate. I don't want to give different examples in each one of it. So I am making it generic. Like everywhere I am searching for estate role in Microsoft. Okay. And the instructions are: start with the specific observations about the company, recent news, product growth, or achievement. So here, as you have already provided Microsoft, so it will search for recent news related to Microsoft, product growth, or achievements. And after that, connect that observations to how my skills can add value. Okay. And after that, keep it concise. I am saying it to keep it concise, like maximum 50 to 80 word, not more than that, because no one is going to read it. And after that, make it sound like natural and human, not AI generated, because nowadays most of the LinkedIn messages or whatever messages we get, it feels like it is already generated by AI. So we as an human also can detect like, okay, it's an AI generated message or whatever the thing. So we are asking this cloud to make it sound like more natural and human. And after that, avoid generic phrases like I am interested in opportunities. And after that, end with a soft blur clear call to action like quick chat, guidance, referral, and the tone should be confident, respectful, and value driven. And here again I will be pasting my resume. It's not required to paste each time, but I am pasting so that it can give relevant answer. Now I'll hit send. So basically it will analyze the prompt and it has given here three different message strategies. Pick the one that fits your style. Okay, so it is going to give me three different message strategies plan. So one is like lead with AI angle, lead with impact numbers, and lead with referral ask. So there are three different approaches. And option one, lead with AI angle, works best if the hiring manager profile shows involvement with Microsoft Copilot, Azure DevOps, or AI tooling, and it immediately signals you are not a vanilla estate. Okay, and in option 2, lead with impact numbers. So what it's saying, like it works best for technical hiring manager or engineering manager who will instantly appreciate 5 days to 2 days and zero UAT escape defects, number do persuasion for you. Okay, and the third one is lead with referral ask, is the most human and lowest pressure. The soft ending, if they are something, if they are someone better to connect with, dramatically increases reply rate because it removes the commitment barrier from them. And replace the name. Okay, we'll skip it. And it is also suggesting that we can send it on Monday to Wednesday from 9 to 11 a.m. IST, because this is the time frame where we can means wait for the responses, we can get responses. Okay, and don't connect request plus message simultaneously. Connect first, wait for acceptance, and then message. Okay, now we'll go to the messages what it has written. Like, let's suppose if we are going lead with AI angle. So as I have mentioned already in my skill set that I have used all these AI tools. So here, hi Sudhanshu. Okay, here I have to write the name of the manager. So hi, manager name, and after that, Microsoft push into AI powered dev tool Copilot Azure test plan is something I have been living on the engineering side. So I cut the test design effort by 40% at TCS using GitHub Copilot Cloud to auto-generate test case from specs. And with 6 years in Selenium, BDD, and rest assured across networks and calls, I love to contribute to that quality bar. Would a 15-minute chat work? So see, it has given a different approach, or we can say different message strategies. So it is not written like, "Hi, I am interested in a company. Can you please refer me, or can you please find a job for me?" Something like that. So it's means far better than that. And if you go to the option two, lead with impact numbers. So yeah, hi, name of the manager. I have been following Microsoft's engineering culture closely. The emphasis on real reliability and scale resonates with work I did at NetWest, where I built a regression framework that cuts a 5-day cycle to under 2 days. 6 years of estate work across fintech and retail with zero UAT escape. Defects on my last two engagements. Is there someone on your QA team I should speak with? So it's also a nice message. And the last one is, hi, name of that manager. And Microsoft's quality engineering standards are genuinely something I have benchmarked my own work against. At TCS, I led automation for NetWest core banking platform, 200 plus test scenarios, Splunk integrated RCA, AI assisted test generation, 6 years of estate experience, currently exploring senior roles. If there if there's an opening on your team or someone better to connect with, I would really appreciate a nudge. So it's fine. So in the same way, you can also give the prompt, you can add your skill set, or you can give your position along with the company name. Then it will draft a message like this, and as per your need, whether you want to go with AI angle or impact number or referral ask, you can use any of them. So that's all about this video.